Hello guys, let's look in on the results of our trading bot, low correlation bot. This bot did is about 180 trades. So let's look in on Telegram. We have the channel here, and we could click here to understand how it trades in real time. Let's look in here, for example, here some results. Let's look in on our Telegram bot. Where is here, and we need to call help. Next we need to click on the low correlation bot. This is total profit, profit for the current day, for the week. It means the last 7 days, and what is get last trade, and what is the current position. Signal one it means buy, if -1 it means sell. Okay, so it's very important for us to understand what is dynamics for the board, and we need to find some advantages how to work in this one, because during the week, during the day, we have some seasonality, and we need to understand how we could improve our results using this information. I mean, if you go here, it means AE. Next we need to click here. Next we need forecast. We do analyzing our Bitcoin. It means our forecast. Let's look at daily seasonality. It means you see we have some seasonality during the day, some activity in this time in 12 p.m. by GMT 0, and we have some activity here, and during the day also we have some activity. You see on Tuesday, for example, on Friday, but on the weekend we have some low activity. On Sunday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday. It means if we here, it means we could get some another results from our trading bot compare of Tuesday. Okay, and this one we should analyze to understand how we could improve. To do it, for example, let's do using Postgres. We did some simple request from Postgres, and select all from table and order by desk ID, and to do desk and limit some limit of trades. It means 100 rows, and you see the last rows with ID 180. Okay, and let's do analyzing these results. What we need to do, for example, I need to query tool. Okay, I did some request. Let's look in this one. I would like to analyze data. I need to make results by every day, and let's look on these results. Okay, I need to one would be, for example, and let's look in this one. Okay, let's look on the results. We have 10 days. Let's analyze what is the profit during the day. The most profitable day in 16 May. The most profitable day was yesterday. We drew about 20 trades during the day. It means we hold position is about 1 hour. But in I remember that in backtest I used something different logic as in real time, because this is a high frequency board, and sometimes I hold position only 10 minutes, for example. But if I implement these ideas into Telegram channel, it would be too many signal. Okay, and this reason was why I update signal by every hours. Okay, we have some average returns. What is the most maximum value of average return was 15 May. Okay, this is some average returns. It's about 30 USDT. Okay, and you see we have some not profitable days in 22 and weekend. It means when we have, because we have some different volatility and we have some activity from large trader, and we have some big momentum on price of Bitcoin. Okay, what is this minimum returns? Okay, the results. It's clear. Yesterday was a very nice day for this trading bot. Okay, and maximum, because we get some of these results using one trade, and you see. Okay, let's look in. Okay, we understand this information, so we need to understand how it's working in dynamic. We need to understand what is the day when we have the most lost of this trading board, and what is the best day. Okay, let's look at another information. We need to query history, for example. I did it. Just need to remember. Okay, data trunk, and I need more information from how it's working during the hour. Let's copy. We also should call tools and query tools. Copy paste it here. Let's look again. Why it's not working? Okay. Maybe let's do it again, but sometimes we have a bug. Okay, but in this we're working, and we need to understand what is how it's working during the day. By my experience, when we have GMT 0, it means Greenwich time, and we have hours 0. In this time we have some abnormal activities on the market, and we should exclude this time from our trading. And you see we have in general average returns is less than 100 USDT, and if we exclude this data from our from this time, we could improve our results, because this is some abnormal activities in this time. But when we have this time, and you see it means when let's look on this table again. I mean we need AE and daily seasonality, and you see we have some momentum in this time when large trade is activated, when we have some good profit on this time. Okay, and you should understand this situation. And let's look in another, and we got some very high average returns in this time. Okay, let's do order by minimum returns. I would like to understand what is the not profitable hours. Okay, it was not profitable in this time, and but we have only seven count. We need more information. For example, if we run this bot during the several months, we accumulate more statistics, and we could understand activity from this bot more deeply, and we could exclude some data when we shouldn't trade. You know about it, who trades, for example, using on stock market, for example, and you know that many trading system not working. For example, if you trade during the first 1 hours when market is open, for example, because we have some abnormal situation. But when situation is stable, we could find some more stability patterns. It depends of approach what you use. But for another trading strategy, we also to work, for example, on the first hours when market is changed. I mean, market state is different, and we should understand this one. When the market state is different, and we should to find this situation using the simple statistics, but we could improve this one if we add information from hidden Markov model. I work this approach more than 2 or 3 years. I developed some ideas using this approach, and we could find some deep patterns using hidden Markov model to find some state of market, and we use this meta label information to improve our trading ideas, to manage position, for example. Okay, let's look in also, for example, by days, but we have less information, few information. I mean, we need to collect more information from this one. Okay, let's look in again. Let's look in minute, for example. Do we have some statistics here or not? Count minute. Okay, what is the I need to average return. Okay, let's also I find some patterns in minutes. It means on cryptocurrency market we have too many different algorithm strategy, and they activated in, for example, on the first few minutes during the hour, something like this. And we also have some state of the market. Let's look on this, and you see we have some different state of activated of market. This is seasonality effect. And for example, if we here and we could split this data set by several clusters, and we could use, for example, these clusters to analyze our situation more deeply, and we could use this information to improve our bot. So I mean, you run some bot, this bot could be not profitable, but if you could improve it using this information about activity from large traders during the day, during the week, and you could exclude some information, some data when this bot is not profitable, and you could improve these results, and your bot could profitable. I hope ideas is clear. Okay, and for example, let's look in, for example, average return, the most biggest value. Okay, and this one, it's very interesting situation. Okay, in general, we have we need more data. We need more data. Let's accumulate this data during several months, and we could improve our results, and we do some risk manager system for this bot. And also very important idea, I created this bot from some it's some statistics idea, and we couldn't overfit this training bot. It's very important, because if you use some machine learning and you could some ensemble model or some stake model of machine learning model, it would be, and we could overfitting this model. and we couldn't tuning this model more effectivity. And I know some hedge company, hedge firm, hedge fund create some statistics trading strategy with some clear idea, and using this clear idea we could understand the market, and we could use some risk management like this one during the day, during the week, with some seasonality activity to improve our trading board. Okay guys, so let's continue to test this idea. I'm trying to create another bot with machine learning to compare of this two bot for demonstration how it's working, because if we use machine learning we have another problem to manage this one, and because some people think that if you use machine learning it's all our problem, but it's not true. We have another problem if you are going to use machine learning, and maybe we should take another approach to understand the market, and I'll show you in the future how it's working. So guys, if you like this video, enjoy my trading bot and Telegram bot. I'm going to improve it, and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.